Hey guys, today I'll be explaining the distance formula. The distance formula is a way to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane. And let's first start off with the formula. The formula is D equals square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So this formula is able to help you find the distance between 2 points. You can also use the Pythagorean theorem, and if you look at it, it's really similar to the Pythagorean theorem, because basically you could think of this as a squared, and you can think of this as b squared. And basically, if the square were to be taken away from here, and this were to be squared, it would basically be the same formula. So, like, when our problem for today, or the points we'll be using, are 4, 6, and 1, 2. So let's first define the x2, x1, y2, y1 values. This would be x1, this would be y1, this would be x2, this would be y2. So no matter what, even if this were to be x2, y2, x1, y1, you would still get the same answer. It would still be the same thing, because even if you were to subtract the opposite way and get a negative value, when it's squared, it's still the same value. Positive value squared is the same value, so it does not matter. But you want to make sure you don't do it whereas it's x1, y2, x2, y1. Because that'll distort the answer. So let's first graph these. Let's make the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 6 will be up here. 4, 6 will be up here, and 1, 2 will be here. And if you make a line between this would represent our distance. So now if we input these values into the formula, you get 1 minus 4 squared plus 2 minus 6 squared. And then you end up getting 3 squared, negative 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. And like I said, even if you were to switch these values up, you would get 3 squared plus 4 squared. And when they're squared, you still get the same answer. So you get D equals 9 plus 16. And that's D equals square root of 25. And the square root of 25 ends up being 5. So your distance is 5. So that's a really easy way to solve it out. And like, if we were to recap this again, distance formula is a way to find the distance between 2 points. But I want you to remember that it does not matter if you switch up which ones are x1, x2, y1, y2. But you want to make sure that if this is x1, this is y1. This is x2, this is y2, or else it'll distort the answer. So I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a like if you understood it and thought it was nice, and I hope to see you guys next time.